pickers are another essential powered industrial truck that are utilized here at Cardinal. These devices are used in selection of product for efficiency at varying heights. The order picker is commonly used in plants for selection of both raw and finished product. Because of its versatility, the order picker requires fall protection to be worn. As with all PITs, a pre-use inspection is required. This begins with a visual inspection of the machine. The visual inspection entails looking for fluid leaks, hose issues, battery problems, and signs of damage. As the operator steps into the control area, the individual will face the control panel, which consists of the following: the steering wheel, throttle stick, which contains forward and reverse, a horn button, raise and lower operator platform buttons, key switch, emergency stop, wheel position indicator, message center, clock, capacity plate, and warning labels. At this time, fall protection should also be inspected and verified before use, as well as your lanyard and anchor point. Retractable lanyards that rotate are the preferred equipment choice for overhead selection work. On the floor of the operator's platform, there is a pedal which must be depressed to operate the order picker at all times. This pedal is called a dead man's switch. Inspection and items to identify will be covered in detail in your hands-on training.
Now you are ready to operate the order picker. Turn the key to the on position. Engage the dead man switch, placing your right hand on the throttle and your left hand on the steering wheel. Note your wheel position. Slowly move your throttle and wheel in the direction you want to steer. You will note the tight turn radius as a result of only having one wheel to turn to steer. This can create momentum that can be adverse to safely transporting material and yourself. Turn slowly. Now you are ready to transport material or begin selecting. You will need to identify a pallet or rack to load onto your tines. Position the order picker in the front of the load. You might need to do several turns to be in the desired space. Pull back on the throttle and reverse into the load until the load makes contact with the edge of the operator's platform. Raise the load until it is no more than a few inches off of the ground.
You are now ready to transport or select onto your load, but before you do, a few notes of warning. Be cautious of your environment, pedestrians, and other moving PITs. Visibility can be limited by the mast. When selecting from racking, always be cautious of the racking and elevated levels. As you elevate to select lights, bring your rack even with the one you are selecting from. Do not leave the order picker platform or extension step if equipped. Overextending can result in slips, trips, or other incidents. Use your horn as you come down to warn others in your area. Never let another PIT or pedestrian move under an elevated platform. Always transport secured material no matter how far you are moving. Finally, be cautious of what you are transporting, as loads can be affected by centrifugal force as well as uneven weight. Order pickers are used in many ways throughout Cardinal. They provide the ability to efficiently select and move products. Examples used in this illustration are generalizations of working with an order picker. You will still need hands-on training and guidance to operate this type of PIT before becoming certified.